before we start this video, I need you to do a thumbs up and subscribe this channel because we need that. Now we can start to the video. Today we have a special video for outside. It's because you see right there, I have bought drink for like the woodpeckers. And do you know why we have that little hanger thing? It was for bird food, and we ran out so fast. That's why we're gonna make ourselves a ball food, and it's gonna be DIY. Yeah, I'm so excited. I love birds, they're so cute. I have an animal, but I love birds, so they're so cute. And I'm so excited, guys. That means I cannot talk no much because I'm so excited. I don't know what to do right now. You know me, I'm always excited. That means let's start the video. Okay, guys, you heard me that I'm excited. And that means we have to put right away the things we need to make our DIY box, guys. Okay? Whoa! Okay, guys. This is all what we need. Did I tell you? Yeah, you have to know. We buy this bird food in Walmart. We got some peanut butter, some yarn. Do you remember? We used this one. Okay, I forgot. Cardboard as a toilet paper. We need the knife. And scissors. And we need the plate, and we have this one. Guys, first we're gonna put the seeds inside the plate. The second step is to get your peanut butter and put it on your cardboard with your knife. Let's do it! Now for the fun part, put it on a seat and roll it. Guys, we put all the seeds on a cardboard and that was easy peasy, like it's squeezy and nasty. Ooh, look guys. Guys, I'm going to put the string and hang it, and we're going to wait for birds to eat. Okay, let's wait. Guys, let's go hang it. 1, 2, 3, boom. To make this, it's nice for the body, and your birds would thank you if you did it. And even they're gonna get some extra food from the peanut butter. And if you love birds, this is a charm for you. You can just wait for it, and you can get a good time. And my birds eat the food so fast. That means I'm definitely gonna see birds. And And remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram, Arianna. Boo boo boo. That's what Arianna. Arianna. It's my. And my TikTok account, ariannavlogs 7. I see you next time. Bye guys. Boop.